How should we call you? What's your name? We'll call you... Candace. What should we call you? Candace?
Candace.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm getting a MacBook. I know. Okay, so I'm actually just on my way there right now, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me and do a mini review. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm here guys. I'm about to go into the store right now. I'm actually 10 minutes early than I need to be. Okay, so I think there's a line. No, that's not mine. That thing looks pink and I ordered silver. Hi. I'm good, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. Look, I got my laptop. I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta go to Sephora and I have no idea what that is. Oh, and I did get a free AirPods that comes with it. And I think that's the mini thing inside right here. Okay, I'm gonna go home. I never thought I would get here, but I'm here. I bought a MacBook Pro. To be honest, I've been wanting a MacBook Pro for like, I'd say 4 years now, ever since I started college. So it's about to be 4 years. And I never got one because every time I reviewed, every time I searched up MacBook Pros, there was always something wrong with them. Like the keyboard, I heard a few years back, was having some problems. I also had a friend who had a MacBook Pro and he went through hell because of it. It was always breaking down and he was always paying money, and I was just like, I am not doing that. But yesterday I finally did it. I got a MacBook Pro and I'm just so excited. I don't even know why I'm excited. I don't know, I just am so excited. And anyways, I'm about to open it. I think there's like a way to open this so it makes this ASMR sound. I don't know how to do it, and I apologize because this is not going to be that kind of proper, professionally done MacBook review. I just got a MacBook Pro and I'm just really excited, and I'm like, other people need to share in my excitement. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Where do you open this up? Oh, there it is. I found the sticker. Okay. I'm gonna put my phone on silent so that it doesn't make any noise. So let's go. Okay, it looks so pretty. Oh, okay, I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and remove the cover. Anyway, so I got the silver color. I know there's also a space gray, but the silver one just spoke to me and I got that one instead. Honestly, it's actually really light and really thin. Let's see, compared to my last laptop, I want to see which one is lighter. Okay, so this is the laptop I've been using. I have an HP Envy. It's a touchscreen, so I think I might miss that just a bit though, because I don't really use touchscreens that much. But I don't use the touchscreen that much, but this is the laptop that I've been using for nearly 2 years now, and I honestly feel like I'm gonna miss it. I feel like I'm gonna miss it. So, but we had a pretty good run together, and you were my baby though. This is what I've been using. It's time we break up though. Look, it's not you, but honestly, it's not even me. It's the MacBook Pro. Okay. So you're old news now. Let's continue to open this. I'm doing this. I just can't believe I'm doing this simply because like 4 years ago, or just like in high school, I was just like, I'll never be an Apple fan. I was just like, I think I was just against Apple because it was the popular thing to have. I've grown now. I'm not one of those people who's just against things just to be against it. Actually, no, I had good reasons. I was like, you had to pay for Apple Music, you had to pay for this, you had to pay for that on Apple, but I've been using iPhone for nearly 4 to 5 years now, and I have an iPhone 11. And I was just like, it's about time. But honestly, look, I don't know, I'm just really excited. Okay, let's open it up. Did you hear the sound? That's really cool. My last one didn't do that when I opened it up. Okay, so I think this is the bar. I don't know what they call it. I guess it's like the equivalent of a touchscreen. Look at it. Okay. Wow. I'm just amazed.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Where's the return key? Okay. I'm gonna have one problem, because on my HP I can usually just tap this and it works, but I have to literally press this. I don't know. I'm really excited. I'm just, come on, connect already, connect. So it's just connecting to my Wi-Fi right now. Also, details, right? So this MacBook is, what is this one? Okay, so this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M1 chip. I got 8GB unified memory, plus 256GB SSD. We're done connecting to my Wi-Fi, and we're just at the next step right now. How do you want to transfer your information? I don't know if I want to transfer anything from my Windows PC. Let me see how that works. Because honestly, I kind of want to just start over and just have everything new. I don't want to have anything on my last laptop coming on here. So we got the charger right here. I hope it's long, because my HP charger is super long. And I'm going to be really upset if this is short. I don't know, I just feel like their chargers could be better. I mean, look, it's kind of short, it's flimsy. It looks like,
it could break easily.
Yeah, it almost looks like a phone's charger. I feel like for the amount of money I paid this for, my charger should be much more sturdy. And this is the box that it came in. This is also the box cable for the charger. Very bulky. I feel like I have a lot of criticism. I really do enjoy this laptop so far. I mean, I haven't used it, but I like it. I like how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in charge so I can start migrating things. I have read and agreed to the iCloud terms and conditions. I didn't read it, but I agree. I used it, but anywho, it's opened. Okay, so we have the little, look, this is my mini review. This is my unprofessional review. Do not take this as serious review. If you want to know whether or not you should buy a MacBook Pro, I'm not the person to come to. However, as a person who's on an HP Windows versus a MacBook for a second, for just one short second, this is my professional review, or my opinion. We do have a fingerprint over here, but my last laptop also had fingerprinting. So, okay, so we have messages. The first thing I did was FaceTime my sister because she wanted to know how it looks like. And we also have the little bar thingy. I think they call it touch bar. I don't know. I just become an Apple MacBook owner. So yeah, we have the touch bar where you can do the lighting, make it lighter, darker, lighter. What else do we need? We have audio. I really like this part, honestly, though. I think this is Siri. Yeah, you can tap her here, but oh, there she goes. There she goes, right here, right here. Okay, that's it. I'm not talking to you.
I didn't get that.
It's okay.
Could you try again?
Nope, you don't. No.
Would you pick the dude?
I haven't changed it. Okay. But honestly, so go away. But honestly, I have no idea what to do right now. I know they say Apple is supposed to be user friendly, but I don't know. I always feel like Windows is much easier to use than Apple products. However, I digress. So I think I'm done with this review. I have nothing else to say. I'm just really excited to use it though, so I'm just gonna end this video so I can go and use my baby. Okay, I'm just really excited. I've been wanting a MacBook forever. But yeah, I can't wait to just remove the background because I think this is kind of ugly. I just want something cute already. Like,
who put a picture of me?
I'm not putting a picture of you. Do you mind? So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram channel, on my Instagram page. I've never said that, you know, but that's because I don't post on Instagram. But totally follow me, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and see you in another one of my videos since I've been filming a lot nowadays. Bye bye from me. How should we call you? What's your name? We'll call you, what should we call you? Candace? Candace. Okay, yeah, so from me and my MacBook Pro, subscribe to this channel and enjoy your time.